G'day and welcome to the next video. What I'm going to show you now is how to download all the data that you are going to need for the rest of the project. So I assume you've already downloaded the data layers from the website for your two study areas to somewhere on your computer, and just File, Open, and open those. So I'm going to choose Daylesford, double click, and here we go. This can take a while to load, so just be patient with it. Let's zoom in, and we've got the study area here, and if I go here on the left, I've got all my different layers. So the one we're looking at is fire history. I can turn that off and turn on fire management zones, recent planned burns. You can leave them all on at once, but you end up with a bit of a jumbled mess. Better to look at one at a time. One thing I should note, when I got this data and organised it for this project, I got it from various government sites, and I downloaded it based on local government area, which means Daylesford was part of the Hepburn Shire, so I've got the entire data for the entire Shire. You don't need to look at the entire Shire, you just need to look at your study area, but it can be useful. I left the data there so that you might want to have a look at the surrounding region as well. Now, one very important thing at the moment, I've got my data here in temporary places. I want to click that left click and put it into my GIS bushfire project where I've been creating these videos from. And that means when I save my, my folder where I've been working, everything stays in there. I don't lose anything when you make adjustments, etc. One other thing I want to show you is at the moment I've got fire history turned on. Let's turn on fire management zones. Let's say I want to compare those two layers. Now if I go down here, I've got the opacity. I can slide this bar, and as you slide it, you can see it slowly turning on and off the fire management layer. Or if I have this one selected, it's going to turn on and off the fire management zones. Now that can be useful for comparison rather than just turning them on and off. If you use that slider, you get more of a gradual change, and you might be able to see some associations a little bit clearer.